Welcome to this Get Exercise Confident video. I'm here with Catherine and we're going to show you how to do the tricep dip, which is a great exercise for working the back of the arms, the triceps. So to start, Catherine's going to demonstrate the exercise. Good. Fantastic, and stop there. So we're going to break it down into its three key parts. So to begin with, the starting phase. So you're going to sit on the edge of the bench, and this can be a bench outdoors, in the gym or at home. What you're going to do is you can put your hands either side of your body like Catherine is, and her thumb and her fingers are on the same side of the bench. She's going to lift herself off and she's going to put her feet out just like that. So you can see it's at roughly 90 degrees, her knees. Her feet are flat on the floor and the weight's through the heels. And she's going to keep her bum as close to the bench as possible. Most importantly, she's going to have a really good posture. So I want you to imagine a bit of string pulling the top of your head, your chest is out and your tummy button's brought in towards your spine. So this is the starting position. Now the going down phase. So Catherine's going to lower herself down. Really good. So what you can see is she slowly lowers herself. She keeps her bum close to the bench as she goes down. And she's coming to this nice 90-degree right angle. So up you come. Good. So we're going to show that again where she keeps the posture and the elbows. So off you go. Good. So lowers down just to there. Really nice tall posture. Chest out. 90-degree angle. Bum's close to the bench like that. Really good. Now they're going up bit. She's going to squeeze her arms and she's going to come straight up. Really good. Go back down again. Good. And from front on, what we can see, if we imagine two lines here, she keeps her elbows tucked in. So if you come up again, squeeze her arms. Good. And one more. And you can see her elbows never come out, so they never touch my arms. And again, good. Really good. And relax there. Now, there's two really common mistakes we see with the tricep dip. The first is where people lose their posture. So Catherine, if you get into position. So what happens here is Catherine's shoulders have come forwards like this. So if you do a few dips like that, you see she's lost her posture. So her shoulders have come in. And then what happens from front on, if you go again, Catherine, is you see her elbows flare out and they hit my hands like this. Now the problem with this is it puts loads of stress on the inside of the shoulder because it internally rotates the shoulder and causes a stress here. So that's the first issue. And then with the elbows coming out, you're not going to work the triceps as much. It's going to put all the stress through the shoulder. So that's why we want to avoid that. And just relax there. Really good. Now the second mistake we see is where people move too far forward and they almost use their legs to dip. So Catherine, if you can show that now. So it's where rather than coming forwards, they sit back like that, good, and then they come up. And what that's actually doing is you're working the legs rather than the triceps. And again, the further forwards you go, the more stress you're putting on the front of the shoulder here. So it's going to put loads of extra stress here. So instead what we want is the bum to come back, and this is the correct position, keeping the bum as close to the bench as possible like that. And that protects the shoulders and makes sure you work the triceps as much as possible. Well done, Catherine. Catherine's now going to demonstrate a couple of reps and we're going to talk you through a few of the key cues. So you can do this at home as you go and we'll hammer the cues in for you. So off you go, Catherine. So she's going to breathe in as she goes down and then out as she comes up. Good. In as she goes down, out as she comes up. Good. She's keeping the triceps in and she's doing that by keeping this really good posture. Really good. Keeping your bum close to the bench. Excellent. And the chest out. And one more. Really good. So the elbows are in and relax there. Well done, Catherine. So that's the tricep dip. A really good exercise working the back of the arms, the triceps. We hope you found it useful. And if you've got any comments, please put them in the comment section below.